I'm back, your shiny teacher with teddy bear. Do you all like teddy bear? Yes, even I do. Okay, shall we sing a song of teddy bear? Shall we? Come on. Are you all ready? Will you sing with me? Come on. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, fly, fly, fly. Teddy bear, swim, swim, swim. Teddy bear, run, run, run. Teddy bear, walk, walk, walk. Teddy bear, read, read, read. Teddy bear, drop, drop, drop. Teddy bear, clap your hands. Teddy bear, you are so good. Yay, clap your hands. Do you all remember the song of alphabet sounds which we learned in the last class? Yes? Do you remember the song? Yes, well done. ഇതുപോലെ എല്ലാവരും പാടിയിട്ട് ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനെ അയച്ചു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Good, awesome, well done. Now it's time for the story of letter F. There was a fire on the farm. Freddy the fireman fights with fire. And he took out his long hose and the water came out with a sound. Yes, that is the sound of the alphabet F. Sound of alphabet F is Next is the story of G. Gautam is eating his snacks and then he drinks water and gargles. The sound is like g g g g g g g g g g. Yes, that is the sound of the alphabet G. Sound of alphabet G is G. G.
G. G.
Next is the story of letter H. Helen and Harry had a race. It was a hot day. Helen was huffing and puffing. By the time she finishes, yes, that is the sound of the alphabet H. The sound of the alphabet H is Next is the story of letter I. There was a little girl named Isha. She wanted to write with an ink pen. She filled the ink pen with ink. You know, all the ink fell on her frock. She says, "Eee." Yes, that is the sound of the letter I. The sound of letter I is E. E.
E. E.
Here comes the story of letter J. Johnny loves jelly. His mother made him jelly as a surprise. He was very happy with the jelly and pretended like jelly and says, "J j j j j j j j j j." Yes, that is the sound of the letter J. The sound of letter J is J. J.
J. J.
It's time for the story of letter K. Karan and Karthik are friends. They are playing football. Karan kicks the ball as fast as he can. And when he kicks, the sound comes like K. K. Yes, he got it. That is the sound of the letter K. The sound of the letter K is K. K. Which is the next letter? Yes, it is the letter L. Lucy was a little girl who loves to lick the lollipop. Her mother gave her the lollipop. She started licking the lollipop like Yes, the sound of the letter L is L. L.
O.
Next, the story of letter M. Minu's mother made a delicious chocolate cake for her. Minu was very happy and she ate all the cake and said, Mmm. Mmm. Yes, that is the sound of the letter M. The sound of the letter M is Mmm. Now it's time for the story of letter N. Nancy and her friends were playing in the garden. While they were playing, they heard a loud noise. It was an aeroplane flying in the air. It sounds like Yes, that is the sound of the letter N. The sound of letter N is Next is the story of O. Olivia, a little girl, is playing with the switch. You know, we should not play with the electric switches. It is very dangerous. She is turning it on and off. On, off. Off, off. Off, off. Yes, that is the sound of letter O. The sound of letter O is O. O. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed the stories. Okay, what you have to do now? You have to learn the song of alphabet sounds. You know, from F is for fish, F for fish, to O is for octopus, octopus. From F to O, you have to learn the sounds and send it to your class teacher. Okay, till then, bye from Shiny Teacher. Bye bye.